How are you, my dear children? Want to hear a story? Today I am telling you the story of who flies the highest. Once two crows fought. Both said, I can fly the highest. They had a race. Each crow would carry a bag as high as it could. The first crow filled his bag with cotton. The other crow filled his bag with salt. They started to fly. Soon it began to rain. The salt began to dissolve in the second crow's bag. The first crow had cotton in the bag. The cotton absorbed the rain water and became heavy. The second crow won the challenge. Okay, see you again with a new story. Bye bye. Thank you.